So I see a lot of people get intimidated when they go into a thrift store or they hit up a garage sale. They're looking to buy something to flip on eBay or Amazon and they see the competition. I want to make this video because I want to let you guys know that regardless of your experience, if you've been reselling on eBay and Amazon for 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, not every single person is going to know it all. So if you see somebody at a thrift store, maybe scanning books and you're a bookseller, or you go to a garage sale and you see somebody, you know, looking at bicycles and you know they're a reseller, don't leave. Don't walk away. Don't be like, oh, they got all the profits. Because I can promise you this right now, guys. There are opportunities and there are profitable products lying around that even the most experienced reseller will pass up. So if you go to a thrift store, if you go to a garage sale, if you go somewhere and you see somebody scanning a competitor, competition, people there that are resellers, don't run the other direction. Do your thing. Go look at the board games, right? Go look at the books. Look through the electronics. Dig behind all the things on the shelf. Because I'm telling you, there are so many opportunities out there. You can't grab everything. I don't care how smart you think you are. You don't know jack. There's always somebody who knows more than you, and there's always an item that you missed. So don't let the competition influence you. You know, there's a great example today. There was a couple that go to our local Savers, and my mother saw them at Goodwill, and I think she overheard them saying that they're going to Savers. But my mom and I, we were going out, having a coffee, enjoying, you know, bonding, mother and son, enjoying ourselves. And like an hour passed and she's like, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go to Savers because, you know, that Indian couple, they went over there and they probably got all the stuff. And I said to her, I said, well, to be 100% honest, I was like, they're gonna miss things. They don't know anything. Like, they were new. So I was kind of, I'm not gonna say what I said, but I'm like, don't worry about them, trust me. And she's like, yeah, I don't know if I want to go there and blah, 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 blah. Anyways, we go there and she literally crushed it. I'm going to play a video right now from my Instagram that I recorded, and let me see if you can see this right now live. Here we go. Okay, at Savers, how much money do you think you made over here today, if you had to guess, between the books and the board games? I mean, you got a lot of stuff.
150.
150? Why are you keeping your voice down?
Oh, 150.
Are you happy with your performance? So anyways, I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it was titled Mama Profits Crushing Thrift Store and Showcasing Hustle. She went to that thrift store and she made over $150 profit after that couple left. We saw them walking out. She made 150 bucks. What if she said to herself, I'm not gonna go into that thrift store because, you know, the competition was there. We had found a profitable board game worth like 40 something bucks. You know what was funny? They might have taken all the deals, but guess what? Right when we got there, guess what came wheeling out of the back room? A cart with a bunch of books. And we scanned those books. We found a $60 book. We found a $50 book. We found 2 or 3 other $60 books, but we didn't count that in the profit because they were like 3-4 million rank, and we just kind of took a risk on it. But anyways, there was a good $150 profit we made, and we just got lucky. Sometimes the bins are gonna come out at Goodwill. Sometimes the book carts are gonna come flying out of the back room at Savers. So do not let the competition sway you. I can't say it enough. You know, don't let them stop you. There's so much money to be made out there. So that was a long-winded response, but I just want to inspire you guys to go out there, crush it, make it happen, and don't let the competition bring you down because you've got expertise that they don't. And I'm telling you right now, there's money out there. Just grab it and put it in your pocket.